iyo studio ziba zateguye z'abari nka miliyoni, ariko ubundi uyu mwaka mwaretse tugashinga yacu izajya ibyikorera ikabyikorana cyaza se ko mutazinguka. Paramount Skylands Corporation Domain Entertainment cyabanyitaga Heza Simba. Tugiye kureba filime ya mbere y'uyu mwaka 2026, siyo ya mbere ngoze mwibaza impamvu tangire hakuno ne filime witonze ahantu mu ruganda sinzi umugabo ureba gutyo to nako narakaye
not asking for special treatment.
Nubwo ndi kubasa wenda ngo muvure byihariye nako ngo mumfate byihariye, oya ndi kubingira sanya umwana hano mu kazi waravuze ngo nari umwe mu bakozi bawe. Wari umwe nyine wahoze narebaga yuko mwampa akazi nanone. Basi nimba mutama akazi mbabarira umbwira diplome ye barayiciye. Basi mbabarira untangire message nziza kwa kundi umuntu agutangira ubuhamya bwiza. Basi untangire ubuhamya bwiza bamvane kuri blacklist nyine ubu nta hantu na hamwe yembere gusaba akazi. Urongera kuvuga ibyo bintu ndagushota n'urwo rwana rwawe basohorane hano kubazanye hano umwana wumvaga biri bunkore ku mutima kwa mwaka nkeneye akazi meze nabi umwana wanje amasi cyumwera arwaye. Oya ibyo ntago bikora kuri cyo ikigabo kiri hano cy'ikigome kimeze nka King Panda. Ntago ndi ikigoryi cyo kujya kuvuga ibyo bintu byibura bwa rimwe pose. Ufite umwana wawe intoryi zawe nizigeze zishirira sibyo warabyaye bifate nkaho watsinze umupira. Bye urabeho ndakwiyomye. Nazana umwana urwaye mu biro byanje nta nizo uzi n'ikiri ntago nazanye umwana wanje hano kugira ngo wumve wishinze icyaha cy'uko mwanyirukanishije mukagira no ku rutonde rw'abantu bategeka gusaba kazi hakuno. Impamvu nazanye umwana wanje nkaza mwitwaje byaro kugira ngo nze kubura ukuntu ngukubita naho ubundi nakabaye ngushose nkagukura nk'irye. Uyu ni wowe wese wavugaga ngo ntiwarakaye nuko umeze iyo utarakaye. Hakuno umugabo akazi ubushomeri bumeze n'abafite umwana urwaye. We musoro ukomeye ari kugenda hano arebye kuri televiziyo abona hari publicity iri gucaho. Uri umugabo wumva atanga ibintu byose. Aya niyo mahirwe yawe ya nyuma kugira ngo uyu mwaka utagupfira ubusa ujya gukina amasiganwa cyangwa amarushanwa ya Running Man. Ubashije gutsinda abagabo baba bambaye imikaro ukabakwepa ukwezi kose kukarangira uhita ugenda utsindiye biliyoni y'idolari nyagasani ibiceri byinshi kandi umugabo ni umukene. Ubundi baravuga ngo amafaranga ni umuzi w'ikibi cyose. Dore abamhigi baba barimo do Magon
Catch me if you can, motherfuckers.
Nafashe se niba mubishoboye mwabikora kimwe nabagiyeyo nabagiye muri Running Man.
Don't miss the final run of the season.
Mutaza kugira gute mutaza guhomba kureba amasiganwa ya nyuma y'iyi season. Na amasiganwa ngo yitwa Running Man. Iyo ubashije kujya muri ayo masiganwa ugenda wihisha abantu bari kugwiga ariko iyo bagufashe barakwica gutsindira biliyoni y'idolari. Umugabo kandi arakena. Ihangane mwana wanje.
That is not that crazy.
Papa ntago ari umusazi bingana kuriya ku buryo najya muri ariya masiganwa. Humura reka. Mugabo uri hano natashye mu rugo arabanza atunganya ibikoresho by'umwana. Mfite akana karwaye kandi igishomeri kimeze nabi. Arakennye kwa kuntu ubudacunganwa n'igihumbi mu mufuka nacyo ntacyo. Komeza kureba kuri televiziyo ariko iyi fata telekomande urebe. Kureba hakuno haba hari indi mikino y'urusimbi.
Speed the wheel where a big boned badass bets bravely to bag big.
Hakuno bazana amasiganwa umuntu akirukanka yabasha gucamo hano. Namwe murabyumva.
We'll go.
Abatsinda ibiceri papa ari kubireba. Ni bya bikino n'ubundi ni bya kazungu narara byose ni kimwe. Ako mwabonye umwaka muwinjiramo neza ngiye ko ntari impari. Mwaka mwawinjiramo ntari ku isi nago nari impari. Hari utuntu nari ndimo nari naragiye kubategurira iwanyu aho muzaza. Hakuno
Marseille,
Mugabo hakuno bari kureba imikino yose y'amahirwe ngarebe kwa kundi nyine byangwa ugashakira mu kadege kwa kundi byangwa ugashakira mu kadege. Muri ka konkoro hakuno afongoza nawe.
Oh, look at the fuzzy hamster.
Nebari amwaranje toto neba hariyo.
Fuzzy hamster? No. Next question for one.
Ikibazo gikurikiyeho. Ugitsinda araza gutsindira igihumbi cy'amadolari. Ariya na amafaranga menshi umugabo yake.
Net Air Flying V luxury jetliner have.
Mubazi ibintu.
A4, B5 or C6.
Tough one. Say B, bud.
Musa subiza ngo B. Ni A.
She said.
Ikibabaje rero ni si. Hakuno ubwo uratsinzwe bira.
We're full of shit than Daddy thought.
Nako mwana wanjye ubona ukuntu abakira ari ibigoryi ni umugabo uri kuganiriza akana nimba mama w'akana bari hehe. Hakuno.
But in my hand is the
umusa mu kiganza cyanjye mfitemo agapapuro kariho ibibazo sibyo ibisubizo.
Your life. Who invented the pepperoni?
Ninde wavumbuye pepperoni? Hakuno.
Hardly knew ya.
Oh, okay.
Nageze mu rugo natashye kumbe hakuno na madamu afite umugore. Umwana ameze gute mama akana kararwaye. Ameze gute mama? Umwana ari gutwika babyita kugira gute harya guhinda umuriro siko numva muvuga mu kinyarwanda ari guhinda umuriro ari gutwika. Mami akana kararwaye. Gukora umwana ari kubabara. Ibi bintu ntago ari sawa. Bitonyanga bibiri hakuno n'uduti tw'amagenda usinze aba yazivanye.
Look, I know.
Molly said he would have real farms, damn it, real flu meds.
Molly yatubwiye ko azadushakira imiti ya
Well, a little black market buddy has all the stuff.
ese uzi kiriya miti abagiye kuyigura muri farumasi ya miti yataye igihe bimusaba akanya nayo kugira ngo ayihiga yibone.
Kill people, but it's sold out of the things.
Biriya bintu byica abantu iriya miti baba barajugunye rero wimbwira gutyo unankira agahato bitwara gace umugore.
All right.
Hakuno umwana.
This stuff doesn't make her better, babe.
Iyi miti ntago iri
It
kumukiza
makes her feel better.
ariko byibura ituma yumva ameze
Put
neza.
another double at that hellhole club, and if it
Nari
wasn't,
nasabye yuko banyongerera shift ku kazi nkajya njya gukora muri club nkareba ko nakwinjiza amafaranga byikubye kabiri.
dead in the
Umugore
morning, I'd still be there. So that's what
ibizajya bigera mu gitondo ntarapfa ubwo nyine nzajya mbagihana.
for today.
Hakuno ubugabo biranga navuganye na Molly.
What you did?
Kuki mwavuganye?
Who watched Kathy?
Took her with me,
Ninde wari uri kureba umwana twajyanye?
you know. Guilt trip him.
No, you took her so you wouldn't beat the crap out of him.
Iyo utajyanye umwana ndabizi wari kumukubita.
I left my
Wakoze akantu k'ubwenge.
pride at the door. I was
Ubwibone bwanje nabusize ku muryango.
respectful.
Nagiye namwubashye peni wa mugabo yagiye gusaba akazi. Sori ntazababeshya ntago ari mubi.
Got a little heated at the end, but
Wenda nyuma naje kurakara nyine yego ariko
by then it was game over.
ariko narakaye n'ubundi ntacyo
Don't
kurengera
want
kigihe.
us to win.
Bivuze ngo ntago badushaka ko dutsinda. Nta kintu bashaka ko twageraho.
I'm sorry,
Babarire mwana. Babarire.
I tried.
Hey,
Gusa nagerageje.
just
Akazi kawe.
punished for being a good man.
Ese ntukihane ngo wirenganyirize amakosa yo kubura umugabo
Just
mwiza.
standing up for you guys.
It just didn't
Wabaye hano ku bwacu iteka ryose.
right, you know. I got to be a dad and they didn't.
Ben, none of this is your fault.
Doesn't change our situation.
Ben ibi byose nta kosa ryawe na rimwe ririmo. Ariko n'ubundi ntacyo bihindura ku kuri guhari. Turakennye, umwana ararwaye, nije papa mu rugo, nta kintu ndi kuzana ubwo se kuba atari amakosa yanjye ahubwo ni hebye aba atari amakosa yanjye.
But we're in this together, right?
Ariko ibi tubiri kumwe mosheri. Sibyo? Sawa. Dakana karemye.
Think of something.
Turaza gushaka ikindi kintu twakora. Turaza gutekereza ikindi kintu. Hakuno. Ihangane mwana wanjye ihangane mwana.
Son,
Sogisi ry'uyu mwana ririhe.
Ben, those take forever to make.
No, it was on when we got home. Hold on. It's here.
Wabo ni isogisi waritaye ubwo wacanaga umwana ujya cyari riri hano ariko zo gushaka isogisi ry'umwana to zo gushaka isogisi
Kick that off.
akana w'isogisi warishose rigwa he kana kambaye isogisi rimwe
Don't worry. Dad was gonna find it.
humura wigira ikibazo isogisi ryenda ribona.
Honey, are you
Ivano.
back to the Libertine?
Ese ugiye gusubira muri Libertine?
Want to,
Nanjye ntabwo mbyifuze.
Said that place was dead in the morning.
Nari nzi ko wambwiye ko ari ahantu tu
except for the most desperate, wasted losers.
nubwo haba hariyo abagabo b'ibigoryi byacanze b'abahombyi ariko ni abakire tubakeneye
Get
amafaranga.
tips out of these guys.
Ndetse umukobwa dukorana yambwiye ukuntu bariya bagabo naca mbavanamo make ya tipu nyine.
You're the waitress.
Namwe murabizi hari ukuntu mu kabari bavuga kuriya mugabo shasa atanga tipu. Abaseriveri bose barwanira kumwakira.
Do it all the time.
No.
Look, if these jerks can splash 50 indie per bottle, they can
Uzi yuko atanga tipu y'amadolari 50 kuri buri cupa.
actually save a kid's life.
Babe, I
Kandi ayo madolari yatabara ubuzima bw'umwana wacu.
can't let you do that.
Ben,
Ntabwo natuma ubikora ngo uje gukora muri kariya kabari mu masaha nijoro.
she is burning up.
Ben umwana ari gutwika nayo kumugurira imiti igabanya umuriro twayabuze.
My friend makes 20 new every shift, usually from just one customer.
Byibura ngende ndebe ko nasaka umukiriya umwe mwana. Inshuti yanjye igivana y'uduceri twinshi.
Hey, now,
Come on.
you know I'd never do that.
Urabizi ko biriya bintu ntabikora nimba ukeka ko ngiye kugucinya.
My friend doesn't even let her grab her ass.
Inshuti yanjye ntigituma banayikora no ku kibuno.
Charms him into tipping for something that's not on sale, and right now it's prime
Aragenda nyine agasekera abagabo akabareshya bakamuha tipu n'ibyo ngibyo.
time for that kind of
No,
play.
the wrong exec. Thinks that you ripped him off. You could end
icyo nicyo kibazo rero
up in the dump. Like
byazarangira nawe ubaye nawe wisanze uri mu mwanda utazi
that
wawe
girl across the street. I'm so
cyangwa ukamera nk'uriya mukobwa utuye hakurya y'umuhanda uriya duteganye.
These men are savages.
bariya bagabo muba mujya guseriva nijoro ni ibisazi ni ibigoryi.
Farms from a real doc. She won't survive
uriya
another.
mwana wacu ukeneye imiti dukeneye kumujyana kwa muganga wa nyawe ibyo uri kwigira ni
Have a choice.
kandi nta yandi mahitamo. Mugabo yarebye hakuno kuri televiziyo amahitamo arahari.
Where are you going?
Get money.
Wagiye kugiye gushaka amafaranga.
Her to see a real doc before bed.
Amafaranga ahagije kandi ari buze gufasha umwana wacu mbere yuko bucya akaba yageze kwa muganga. Mugore kureba hano abona muri televiziyo bari gushyiraho publicité y'amasiganwa agiye kuba nimba ari amarushanwa nimba ari iki aho umuntu uzatsinda azahembwa biliyoni y'idolari.
Chances? People on that show never come back.
I'm trying to
Ben ndakwinginze abantu bagiye muri ariya marushanwa ntibajya bagaruka
the
utayajya.
running man.
Ntabwo ndi ikigoryi cyo kujya kwirukanka muri running man igenda biyobewe. Amasiganwa nimba twabyita amasiganwa nimba twabyita amarushanwa ni umukino nyine aho ujya mu mukino bagashyiraho abantu baguhiga warokoka iminsi 30 bakaguhemba biliyoni y'idolari ariko bagufata bakakwica byanyabyo.
There's a ton of other shows. Look.
We hari izindi show nyinshi nagenda gakoreramo amafaranga
The low-
apaniriye show.
One today, $75 new. I get on one of those. We
Yagiye areba ahantu bagiye bakorera amafaranga ukuntu bagenda bakora abakinira iya mikino hirya no hino.
People on these games get hurt too, like
Ariko
real.
abantu bari muri iyi mikino nabo bajya babibabariramo nubwo atari running
stuff
man.
next to the kind of jobs I work.
We ni ukubera ikibazo cy'umwana turaza gushaka uburyo ikindi nshuro nzashaka akazi. Ufashe rero.
Promise me you won't go on that show.
Basi nsezeranya ko utari buze kujya muri iriya show ya running man. Ndagusezeranya.
I'll get you out of here.
Ndagusezeranya ko ndi bukuvane hano. Hey, agasani. Kaburi hano. Akakana se babana nk'umugore. Churubaro. Churubaro. Je niyo mba ndi kwitekerereza. Rata mwamwe mubona tudatekereza kimwe ngiramwe. Hakuno nta kindi cyabaye. Ngabo yasohotse muhira. Turagukenesha ri.
Watch yourself.
Wicunge ibyo ujyamo byose wicunge turacyagukeneye. Ni umugabo n'umukene mu rugo famiye ubukenewe. Churubaro. Ndagaswira. Hakuno Paramount Pictures presents izina rya filmu ntabwo turaritangira ntabwo turaritangira bafatanyije na Domain Entertainment bafatanye na Gaheza Simba. Niba ushaka kwamamaza nimero yanjye ni 078 022 4403 cyangwa 078 21 29 503. Hakuno The Running Man niryo zina rya filime ni umugabo uri kwirukanka ukizwa n'amaguru. Ubundi mu magambo make reka filime tuyite maguru ya sarwaye sibyo byiza. Ko numva uyu mwaka ariko ntazawumara nyamara mu nsengere ndabona bikomeye. Kandi ikindi kintu uyu mwaka nurangira ntakize na leta ibyumva tuzabane mu mahoro ntizamvangire dore mwaka ni wo wanyuma wo gukora ibintu byemewe na leta ubwo nimba ntakize zakurikiraho nyine namwe murabyumva. Hakuno umugabo yavuye mu rugo mu kito yavuye hakuno hari ahantu yaje hari kamera zimeze gutyo ku butasa vuga iki kugenza hano
Network building. Tryouts.
Proceed to your
yenje mu magerageza
destination.
komeza werekeza iyo ugiye hano hari umujyi winjiramo bakagutera na za sanitizer baza kwanduza abakiri ibyo birwara by'iwanyu batindi byinda n'imbaraga sa n'ibinyamugera ntago baba babishaka reka hakuno babo yavuyeyo cira mu kandi kaciki kari hano rero kiyabitekerezaho gake gake ako ntago mwahara kuntuka ngani warwana nabonye ntago mwahara hano mumaze iminsi munyandikira kuri Instagram umunuka ngo Gaheza wanze akazi nayo sinzo nabonye mwese mukomeze imbere kandi mufunge iminwa hejuru umuntu wicara hasi mukomeze imbere hakuna abakene babaje gusaba akazi ni benshi dore umurongodo umushomeri mumeze nabi ya goddamn broke utazi ikimuhatse ngareba iki harya mugabo kugerano yabonye agasogisi k'umwana kari mu mupira yagiye yambaye to kugerano musaza waje hano nagerageza umusaza hano.
This guy's in trouble. Get up!
Umusaza ameze nabi we.
Guy needs help. No.
Uyu musaza akeneye ubufasha we. Turakuyamye muvi Rwanda.
I said step back.
Nakubwiye ngo subira inyuma. Vanayotiza. Vanayotiza. Mugabo hakuno do. Kubita. Uratabara wabitumwe nande hakuno.
Moving people. Nothing to say.
Mwe mukomeza mugende mwabana mwe hano nta kintu cyo kubona. Subira mu murongo wa. Kikora kiwe.
Mouth closed.
Mwese mupfunze iminwa garuka inyuma. Reba. Yigize Yesu nyina arabambwa. Iyo wigize Yesu arabambwa ibyo bintu simubizi se. Mugabo hakuno.
Next.
Ukurikiyeho. Hakuno.
Tap each page to confirm the information is correct.
Tapinga kuri buri page tubone yuko ugenda wemeza ko amakuru waduhaye ariyo ukomfirima.
What's the triangle mean?
Iriya triangle iravuga iki kariya kamande.
I'll read it to you, it'll be faster.
Reka mbigusomere nibwo byihuta.
Ben Richards,
Ben Richards,
35,
ufite imyaka 35, ufite umugore.
Employment history, hired by CGen, fired for
aho yakoze mbere yakoreye muri CGen baza kumwirukana for insubordination kubera gusuzugura abamukuriye.
Why is there a red triangle on my file?
Ariko kubera iki kuri document yanje mbona hariho kampande 3 gatukura.
Hired by Net Utility.
Ndabona aragiye gukora no muri Net Utility.
Hey man, I asked you a question.
We ndi kukubaza wa mugabo we.
Insubordination.
Bakwirukanira nabwo gusuzugura inzego, sibyo? Insubordination.
Hired by Defense Net, birth of daughter.
Waje nanone kongera gukora muri Defense Net.
Fired for
kubyara n'umwana w'umukobwa.
Insubordination.
Bakwirukanira nabwo gusuzugura inzego, insubordination.
Poor kid.
Yararakara. Rep.
Just stop me from choking you out.
We mbabarira udatuma nkunika, sibyo? Mumwohereze hejuru.
Elevator 6.
Genda uje muri esanseri ya 6. Hakuno. Uje muri esanseri ya 6. Nimba ari kuca hehe? Ni ahantu yaje gusaba akazi sinzi. Baba baje gusaba akazi ni benshi ubushomeri bumeze.
Hey.
Ari hano, we. Yahuye n'umukobwa hano umeze nka DJ ntuza.
Co-op 27, right?
Yeah.
29, neighbor?
Mwana, harya se utuye ku nzu 27. Cyenuye ku nzu 29 turi abaturanyi.
Ben.
Jibanyita Penny.
Alright, Ben.
Sawa Ben we. Umukobwa bahuye hano do. Uri kwafi. Ibintu by'ibinyogosho by'ibirokoke biba bihirimanga. Bimwe bya kasuku Jayisquiza.
We got the cash if you've got the balls.
Hakuno.
Don't.
Right. Yeah.
Harundi bahuriye muri esanseri.
I'm Tim.
Jebanyita Tim.
Tim.
Tim byanditse.
Jansky's my last
Anyita Tim Jansky.
name, and Tim
Jansky nyine na akazina kanje ka kabiri.
is short for Timothy.
Urumva banahiriye ka Timothy. Nabyumvisha.
Should we all go around and say our names and a fun fact?
Twese se turagenda tuzenguruka tuvuga amazina yacu hano cyangwa. Hakuno. Rebe. Naho baje kugera hano. Ari ama competition menshi batsindiramo ibiceri. Nawe yaje muri competition imwe muri kugera hakuno do. Bazamuka bakabanza bagakora umwitozo turebe ko ufite igihanto kujyana mu bintu udashoboye. Cya gukora ibintu udashoboye wapi rwose. Hakuno. Musore. Babajyana mu myitozo hakuno. Uzana umuzanga usigara. Sinzi. Filime witonze umusore hakuno. Bari kubajyana mu myitozo kurira hakuno kuba wakurira nk'umusozi cyangwa iki bibaye ngombwa. Jazano aruwari ucyara musa mu musore aramutabara do. Ndagufite mwana. Ariko umusore afite ibintu aba yibuka byigeze kuba kera sinzi nimba mubibonye. Abandi murakomeza mu masegonda 30. Musa wakoze mwana. Ntabwo byari ngombwa ko ari untabara. Oya nta kibazo ntaribo. Ribeshya mu kigo hano ntabwo bajya batabara abantu.
Useless.
Technology.
Abuse.
Yaje hakuno mu yindi office babanza kumusuzuma no mu mutwe barebe ko udafitemo ibijagu.
Heroism.
Kwigira intwari ntacyo bimaze.
Technology.
Technology.
Abuse.
Nayo kabye.
Freedom.
Kwishyira ukizana se.
No.
Ntabyo mfite ntabyo.
Authority.
Inshingano. Bintu byose byarazamo.
When?
Hakuno do.
Hilarious.
Family.
Umuryango. Tekerezaho. Umuryango ni buri kimwe.
Next page, what do you see?
Cutest
Iyi foto uri kubona iki?
puppy ever.
Ndi kubona ikibwana cy'imbwa cyiza.
What about this one?
Hanyuma singiye.
Oh, it's my favorite flower. Giving me a hug.
Ndi kubona ari ururabo rwanjye nkunda ruri ku mpobe. Hakuno do.
Final image. Tell me
Ishusho
about
yanyuma
it.
bwira iki ni iki?
Infinite bunnies
Ndakubona ari inkwavu zitarangira.
getting sucked into a Knife tornado.
Zimeze nk'iri ziri gukaragwa n'icyuma, ziri bari kuzikaraga ku cyuma, bimeze nk'ari tornado.
Blood all over the galaxy.
Amaraso ari kwikaraga mu kirere nyine kwa kuri tornado, isata ry'umuyaga. Bimeze nk'ari isata ry'umuyaga wuzuzuyemo inkwavu ziri gucikagurika imitwe, amaraso nyine kiri kuvuga ibintu biterekeranye bitamaye agaciro.
And Mr. Richards, you are quantifiably the angriest man to ever.
Bisa nk'aho ari we mugabo wa mbere ugira umujinya mu bantu bose twigeze twakira muri izi show zacu.
Well, that really pisses me off.
Ibyo rero nabyo birandakaje ahubwo. Hakuno komeza imbere. Mugabo nimba ariwe yaje gukina yaye marushanwa gusa yavuze ngo ntabwo yakina The Running Man.
Our jumpsuits are in here.
Kubona jumpsuits zacu ziri hano. Ya myenda abantu basimbuka mu ndege baba bambaye. Buri muntu wese afatiwe umwenda umukwiriye aho ngaho igisubiti kimukwiriye. Hanyuma muhindure mwambari. Hakuno. Ebe. Kambara hakuno. Richard way.
It would be us, man.
Nari mbizi ko turi buze kuba ari twe mwana umusa.
Come on, shit happens, right?
Rimwe na rimwe ibintu bijya biba mwana. Ni wa mukobwa ngo baturanye na wa musore bahuye ngo bita timu. Bisanze bari muri equipe imwe to. Richard.
That's us.
Ngo nitwe bahamagaye mwana. Ni twebwe bahamagaye. Umugabo umenya yaje muri The Running Man ndapfuye.
Add life to your days.
Hakuno to.
Not days to your life.
Hari umugabo uri hano wambaye gutyo bamwita makani, twamubonye n'umwe mu bahigi babahiga abantu bashaka kubica. Ntimuze kugira gute, ntimuze guhomba amasiganwa ari buze kuba nyuma kuri televiziyo bari kwamamaza show.
I always thought this was fake.
Nahoze ntekereza ko ibi bintu biba ari fake. Mwebwe mugiye kwiruka. Ntabwo wakwiruka ngo ucike ikigomba kukuba. None ndi kumva ari ibyanyabyo mwana. Rebe. Sibyo basore.
Feeling really osa.
None ndi kumva ibintu ari ibyanyabyo. Rebe. Hakuno umugabo afite ubwoba yambaye agapfuma kiwe.
Every second, y'all.
Hakuno wa mbere bamucanyo. Rebe.
Hey, Dan Richards, never would have made it without you.
Niweho mwana ntago nari kuba nageze hano udahari utanka baracagihe. Hakuno batangira kwerekana amashusho y'abagiye muri The Running Man imbere. Umugabo amenya yagiye muri The Running Man n'igisurubeti yambaye cyanditse inyuguti ya RM Running Man. Cyafite agasogisi k'umwana we.
Hey, so far so good. Don't worry, we'll keep it down.
Hakuno
Mr. Richards?
Mr. Richards nawe arinjira. Na ofisi bari kwinjiramo hano bagasohoka bakomeza bajya ahandi. Ubundi umuntu w'umugabo ntago yakabaye atinya urupfu. Kubera ko wasanga wenda urupfu aricyo kintu umuntu acamo agatangira kubaho ubundi buzima tutazi.
Dan
Killian niko banyita.
Relax.
Icara sha. Akabaye bagira amategeko kugira ngo mujye mumenya uko mufata abakire, kirazira gusanga umukire muri ofisi ye. Kambagira inama muzabura amafaranga.
Running Man represents a return to the barbarism of
Nubwo abantu benshi bajya bavuga ngo Running Man gira gutya kagarurwa mu
the
bantu.
Roman Colosseum.
Ngo nkuko byagendaga kera muri za arena zo mu Baromani ba kera, Colosseum, Roman Colosseum, hahandi kera ba Spartacus bajyaga barwana n'abandi nkabo.
Disagree. I'm
Kera
not
ntago ariko
Running Man.
Kera ntago ndi bukine The Running Man ariko.
Aware of your family crisis.
Nzi ikibazo umuryango wawe ufite cy'ubukene.
And I think the contents of this envelope will help.
Kandi niyo mpamvu muri urwo rwego nkeka ko envelope yagufasha umugabo arakennye.
If we come to an agreement,
Kera nawe turamutse twemerera.
yours to keep.
Iyi envelope yawe yawe ukayigumana.
Signing bonus.
Ureba hakuno bamukubise $100, $200, $100 akera muri $500.
I'll do any other show.
Oya ndakora indi show
Most
bana The Running
ones
Man.
ever won on another show is 1,000 ND, and I
N'ubundi amafaranga mu zindi show batsindira amenshi abari 1,000.
know it sounds like a tremendous sum,
Kandi ndumva ari amafaranga ataguhagije pe.
but it's not enough to get your family out of
Yego
slum.
ni amafaranga nibyo ariko ntago ahagije kuba yavana umuryango wawe.
Aside for good.
Muri iriya karitsiye yakwepa Kinonko
Running
hamwe
Man.
n'itsamura bubitse umutwe ngo ibinongo bitabaguye.
And merely surviving a single week,
Ariko ugiye muri Running Man niyo warokoka icyumweru kimwe.
put the Richards in the top 1% of global wealth.
Byatuma uzamuka ukajya mu bantu b'abakire ba mbere kuri iyi si Richards we.
For yourself. Page 66.
Irebere kuri page ya 6 aho ngaho muri izo dokima nkoherereje. Hakuno to. Kuri page ya 6 umaze iminsi 8 ubu maze gutsindira $86,000 by'amadolari. Bitekereje.
I'm not trying to get myself killed.
Je nago nshaka kuza kwicwa wa mugabo.
I'll be honest with you.
Reka nkubwize ukuri rero mwana Richard. Bwize ukuri nk'umugabo mugenzi.
This to every contestant.
Naganiriye n'abantu benshi bagiye baza gukina irushanwa rya Running Man biri kugerageza kumwinjizamo kandi yaje gukina andi marushanwa.
First time I've really meant it.
Ariko nibwo bwa mbere ngiye kukubwira ibi bintu mbikomeje byanyabyo. Uranyumva?
You have what it takes to win this game.
Ufite icyo byasaba kugira ngo utsinde uyu mukino.
Our viewers have a burning desire to see a runner go the distance, and we've had
Abantu bareba ikiganiro cyacu show yacu bamaze igihe kinini batabona umuntu ubasha guhangana ngabe yamara iminsi myinshi.
and come close. 29 days in season 1.
Umuntu wagerageje kugera kure yamaze iminsi 29 muri season ya mbere kandi ubundi araba ari iminsi 30 habuze umunsi umwe kuva icyo gihe. Nta wundi muntu urakora ibintu nk'ibyo ngibyo urumva rero ko biri buze gusaba undi muntu udasanzwe kugira ngo yuzuze iminsi 30. Nagiye kumaze kwibonera amafaranga ukuntu aba ahagaze. Nanjye ndaje nze ndebe muri employment history yawe aho wagiye ukora nimba ufite experience. Reka umwunganizi wanjye azabinyoherereze turebe hakuno kumwereka.
It's the most thrilling 10 seconds of video I've seen all year.
Muri uyu mwaka wose iyi niyo video nubwo ifite amasegonda 10 niyo video iritirira nabonye nyine ishishikaje kuri. Baranyirukanye hariya.
Hired by DefenseNet, the best.
Ariko waje gusubira mu kazi DefenseNet baguha akazi.
Downtown.
Kandi bahemba neza.
Best dog shit, still dog shit.
Ikimbwa yanzushira hireba mwana ikimbwa bari iki. Yaje hakuno shakandi hano yacumbi kure. Bari kumuhiga bizwe bakune sanseri yaranapfuye do. Fungo yibaniyemo hagati cyacyaye. Hano sinzi igikarita yahabonye. Fayo. Chega cyo mu gace yitonze. Ayidero kase kugera n'imbeba nazo zikarimo cyane de souris. Aziminsi mbona zinyataka. Agiye mumenya ko umugisha wawe abaru wawundi ari uwundi.
Gotta make another one of these tapes.
Ngomba gufata indi tape hapo.
The guy who followed me.
Iteka nawe uzi umugabo ugendera ku mategeko. Byiza.
Hasn't done much for me, obviously.
Cyo byigeze bimfasha habe namba.
I mean, I'm on the murder show.
Gerano ibonera urumogi hano muraro baratsimbye utuntu twano kugera nabona iburako akwibaya.
A grown ass man playing hide and seek for money.
Nabaye umugabo mukuru ukina ya mikino kwisha tugashakanya nk'abana ariko bikora amafaranga no gerenade. Mani shimwe.
I think I'll just lay low.
Nakeka nkeneye kubanza gutuza itadomeka rwara mu gihe sanze hano do. Ahita vana mibiri dore hayi.
Depraved. Demonic.
Kwereka twigarukire kuri free v. Ni sheni cisha iki? Cisha imache musina isi dore ababirimo cyane yabyivanze.
And find out.
Rich and bold, it's those Americanos.
Rebano.
How do you like this energy wine? I'm a big fan. Love it. How about
Ako wine urayikunda ndayikunda ndetse cyane.
You, Bill?
Hanyuma se we Bill.
My favorite thing, Jim.
Akuno naga hotel yacumbitsemo kuri hasabo n'abagabo babasinzi bamwe babinywera byeri muri karitsiye kuri boutique do.
Why do we all have the same voice?
Undi ko iki twese tugira ijwi rimwe. Rebano.
Relax, Ben.
Amasa yo kohereza indi mail cyangwa se cya kimesa cya gikasete agiyohereza cya video arabura amasa 3 n'iminota 5. Ngende kumbe hakuno hari nu. Uwo byashaguye. Byiza kongera kukubona Frank do. Ngende imbeba do uriya mukinga. Umuntu uri hano ifite ibibazo byo mu mutwe bana n'uburwayi bwo mu mutwe. Byibura wora navuga. Umva ari kunuka ajyaye. Ego ukuntu ndi kunuka fata agasabune hano shiramo ubusiripa. Ufite ububuno bubi gusa po.
I'll do it in the bathtub. Wait a minute. Great. But we do have to be careful.
Hakuno. Kigali we. Inzu yawe nzayitwika. Hakuno taragenda ariko.
We're hugging even if we know.
Ariko kureba umugabano.
Hey, Frank.
Frank nawe rero uracanganye. Umusazi wibereye hano byajago.
From the running man.
Amakuru atari ivumbi muri running man. Mugabo vayo. Tekereza. Wa musazi yareba gasi yatangira kumwibuka ariko nkuzi. Nkuzi. Jaja no kureba. Bari modoka z'abahiji ziraparitse baje kumuhiga sasa. Wa musazi wari uri hano hasi n'abagabo bari bigize abasinzi ba muri karitsiye niwe baje guhiga. Ni babahiji nyagasani. Ha! Ndapfuye. Tazakuno. Fungura cobe harafunze. Do. Winjano. Subira mu cyumba cyawe wagisaza yitsiba mu gihe hakuno bahiji baje.
I'm on 3.
Chendi kuri kuro ya gatatu on 3. Yiteye betamo subira mindani to. Shakuno toilette sinzi kujya gucamo inyuma harafunze. Harimo amafera beto. Bashyizemo amagriage. Nkeneye kira gikapu. Nkeneye igikapu cyanje. Ndakora iki? Banza kura hakuno kanu kakuma ni kirahure hano kiro bya bishikarete yarari mahekenya akora retroviseur ko yakoze retrovizera baca inyuma itazamuka yirukanka.
I saw him. I saw Ben Richards.
Yamubonye Ben Richards ari kumanuka hasi yirukanka. Ahita azamuka hejuru barangira ko ari hasi wahita azamuka hejuru. Zamuka hejuru. Zamutse hejuru kuri rooftop y'inyubako. Ngeze hejuru nimbaje kwareba iki sinzi. Maze iminsi ngo ndari kuba filme sinzi. Gikuba cyari cyacitse ariko ngo imihanda yari yacuramye. Se komba nasigiye babahunga ikibuga nkabona nta kintu bari kukimaza kanigarukira imyikorera. Ndiyo ntahari mbona hapfa byinshi. Gise gutya. Baje kumuhiga baje. Baje kumuhiga baje. Ebe manukiye hakuno. Kigozi kiziritse hejuru amanuka ku nyubako arashaka kumanuka akajya muri afro yiwe. Abagamo kuja kureba igikapu. Hakuno.
Confirming the location. I can reveal to you now. The runner is Ben Richards.
Televiziyo nta kindi iri kuvuga kumena hakuno do. Nabanje imana.
Mr. Richards, top of the top. Find out if he can walk the walk.
Birahure biragwa baramwumva.
3. Chief McCone is
tugaruke.
The hunters have found their man.
Chief McCone yavuze ko abahigi bamaze kubona umugabo bashaka gato. Hakuno umugabo arabanza arava muri ya esuberi yambaye. Ntaho kwirukanyira nta naho kwisha. Kubera ko bagiye guhiga bamufatiye mu nzu nta hantu ari mu bacikiri. Nta makuru ari gucaho live kuri Free V. Ni sheni icisha iki no mukino bayita Free V. Na za drone kamera zamaze kwinjira mu nyubako do.
Why we play the
yagira nakamwe asiga.
Now we live in a society with rules, a society where actions.
Hakuno. Sano ufatirana ya grenade yitoraguriye.
The hunters posted up outside Richard's room.
Aba n'abahigi bari hanze y'icyumba rishara arimo. Richards arabona icyumba arimo bakimenye. Amasatsu fayo umugabo itatsimbukira ku mugozi ndagiye. Do. Banuka muri cyo biranga kubera iki. Hakuno. Dore Chief McCone uhije mukuru do. Bravo byiza cyane. Aramupite baje kumuhiga. Anuka mucyo yijugunya mu yindi mfuro sanga umuraro ni kwinywera urugiye rikakuramo ibiri. Yadomitse umusa usiko ndi kukureba kuri ya shoni ya televiziyo yitwa Free V ngwiki.
Better run, Mr. Richards.
Kizwa n'amaguru kugera hakuno bari kumubona ari gukata do. Jabiti sasu umugabo timba hakuno. Fata drone.
Stop filming me.
Yaretse kumfata ibyo bifite ubyanya ariko kimena iki drone ahije bafayo. Esantere na maruka sinzi arayibanirongera iripfungura do. Jefte grenade mwana. Shukunyira grenade. Back at you. Kayikiva mu kanwa kanyira usubira n'ibyawe ndapfuye. Shukunya hejuru. Esantere iracika umugabo manuka muricyo sinzi. Sekura hasi. Sanga muri basement y'inyubako. Kira gutya. Sanga muri basement y'inyubako. Rero sinzi cyane ko yabonye ibintu by'ibitabara cana rebe ko yabona urumuri ntago ari kureba hano. Kureba basement isohokera hanze. Kuri hano sinzi byatwitse. Sakuna arabanza arabafungirana. Icyo mugabo akeneye ni ukwimarira iminsi itarani. Hakuno harimo amaparufe atangira guturagurika. Parufe nazo buriya ni gaze zigezemo umuriro ziraturagurika hakuno. Masasu. Kureba hano abona imbeba. Imbeba ziba zizinjira zapanya. Kurasa hano barasihombe ya gaze irameneka. Nyagasani atinze mwana araturikiramo. Dore gaze. Hano wagiye guturika mugende mwana gaze baramumva itayimanukira yarababuriye manuka cyo. Manuka mucyo sinzi. Chezamano. Gaze yaraturitse. Kaboom. Dore inyubako yose iraturika n'abahigi bose bari baje kumuhiga. Kubita hasi muri siwa. Muri amazi, muri ya mahombo na bya nazanzira zijyana amazi mabi yo muri toilette n'ibiki no muri douche. A1. Kureba hano imbeba zamweretse inzira. imbeba ziba zizi inzira zapanye hakuno agomba gutanga afite ku masaha atarenze angahe hakuno
I'm still here.
ndacyari hano karya amazirano kimwe shiriras tayari mu makuru amabara yabaye aho uyu mugabo yabashije kwica 8 mu barinzi ba network hakuno aho ibintu byose bibereye tayari filime witonze hakuno hari cyana kiri hano do cyana kiri hano mukiri kureba do ebe
Hey, come on out.
musazamuka mwana vayo
I know you're here.
ndabizi kuri hano vayo Chuarquano.
Get off me!
Chigukariko!
It wasn't me!
Wewe wanhanze. Nako yari jewe.
I ain't no rat!
Je nako ndimbeba nako ndi snitch.
Go! Get big bro to take care of you.
Je kuzana mukuru wanje kwito.
You think your big bro can kick my ass after what I just went through?
Urakeka nyuma y'ibyo nanyuzemo mukuru wawe yankubita kanjo.
Not gonna kick your ass.
Nagagiye kugukubita mu
gihe.
Agiye gutabara gatafari. Cheneye ubufasha. Hakuno urwana ruri hano.
Gotta get off these streets, man.
Bantu fe kuri imihanda ariko wewe nicana kiri kumubwira ibintu.
Zoom's all up in this.
Hano hari amabande yari za kamera. Byose nama bitch.
Everyone's looking for you.
Kandi buri muntu wese ari kuguhiga, sibyo?
Hey. Hey, yo, stay here. I'll be
back. Wego mano ndaje. Ticyaje kasete cy'umugabo agomba kuri potinga. Ndagufite mwana Richards. Cyana kize kimutabare, kimutangire kasete kuko wageze hano baramwica baramushaka barabizi ko agomba kuhagera jugunya mwana. Bamweherereza dead gun bonus. Amadolari 80,000 nyagasani. Yamabanda pire hari ahantu biturikiye. Babaze kari ubaturikije. Tugeze ku munsi wa kangahe wa gatanu. Munsi wa gatanu. Ebe. Usore waje hakuno.
Nah.
Aya.
Told you.
Sinakubwiye se.
Ben Richards.
Ben Richards.
Usore
nimba yarakinnye muri All American harya yakinnye mu ye. Unyibutse.
The live update. How the hell you?
Hakuno. Twitsimbe mwana. Hakuno ni umwana ngo namukuru nabishura mwana.
Get me off the street for the night.
Mukamvana kuri iyi mihanda irisho. Kare. Uraduhereza amadolari 5.
We need streamers.
Dukeneye imiti yo ku muhanda mwana.
My sister got cancer.
Rata dufite mushiki wacu urwaye kanseri. Kandi ararembye.
Make it 10.
Okay, nimba ari ibyo muyagira 10 nimba mufite mushiki wanyu urwaye ntari bimujye kumugura imiti.
God damn.
Umushakira imiti mizima. Nawe afurwaje umwana arabizi uko bimera.
Hell of a price on your head.
Mwana uzi igiciro kiri ku mutwe wawe.
How fast can you run, Richards?
Wakwirukanga bingana iki Richards?
Faster every day.
Je buri munsi mba nirukanka ariko.
Just a shocking amount of destruction here. The NCG on tactical alert.
Ikindi cyabaye batangiye gucizwa n'amaguru kuri televiziyo nta kindi kiro n'amahano umugabo yakoze.
The NCG bomb squad is on scene combing through the rubble for evidence.
Abashinzwe gutegurura ibisasu no gupima uko byagenze bahageze.
Preliminary reports indicate Richards set off the explosion in the basement.
Bavuze yuko Ben Richards ari we wateze ibiturika muri basement iriya nyubako.
His body is yet to be found.
Ariko umurambo we ntago barawubona abana bamuzanye iwabo to. Hano hari akana karwaye baba bari gushyushya ibitoyi n'inshinge n'amapepeti. Iserenge harya ni senyenge. Kana karwaye hakuno.
You can set your grandkids up for life with one recording report.
You think the network would rather pay us reward money?
Umwana uriya mwana mwamuvuza mwakora nk'akantu kamwe muri ariya marushanwa mukamuvuza urakeka network batwishyura.
Make up some bullshit and arrest us.
Bahita bagira ibyo badushinza bakadufa.
Have to get your sister real forms.
Ese wabaha amafaranga ahagije yo kuvuza mushiki wawe.
500 new.
Reka tuvuge ko mbahaye amadolari 500 y'inote nshyashya.
I can get you out of Boston.
Nahita nkuvana muri umujyi Boston.
But it won't be for money.
Ariko ntago naba mbikoreye amafaranga mwana. Musa.
This dude ain't going nowhere.
Uyu murara n'ubundi nta hantu yajya.
Goons got the hood surrounded.
Amabandi yazengurutse ikaritsiye yose.
Stop.
Rekeraho mwana. Nakuno hari akana karwaye.
Little pinch and everything's gonna be okay.
We na akantu gatoya ngiye kukujomba uburibwe bugahita bukemba. Akana karwaye hano. Karwaye kanseri.
Find out tomorrow.
Akora ishara aracyari muzima cyangwa tuzabimenya ejo. Hakuno yaza kuzimya igiteleviziyo.
No, you seem like a smart cat.
Mwana umenye uri umuhanga ariko.
What made you sign up to be a cog in their
Ubundi niki cyatumye ujya gusinyira kuza muri ibi bintu? Nizi propaganda zababaga.
I'm just trying to take care of my family.
Nari ndi kugerageza kwita ku muryango wanjye musore.
Just like you and your sister.
Nkuko nawe na mushiki wawe bimeze. Bamwita John.
My kid was sick.
Ubwo mwana wanjye yararwaye.
Sent my wife enough to get her well.
Naweherereje umugore wanjye amafaranga ahagije yo kuvuza umwana.
Now I'm trying to win enough to get them out.
None ubu ndi kugerageza gutsindira menshi yo kubavana mu bibazo.
She's only 2.
Umwana wanjye afite imyaka 2
If I do my job,
rero ndamutse nkoze akazi kanjye
we're gonna remember Slumside.
ntabwo umwana wanjye yazongera kwibuka ngo gutura muri kwepa kinonko ni gute. Saricatse we.
I can get you past that blockade.
Nakurenza ziriya barriere zose ziri hano muri uyu mujyi.
Couple days to set it up, so.
Ariko biraza kunsaba iminsi mbipange.
Hot out here in the meantime.
Rero ugiye kuba witsibye hano muri iyo minsi.
You know, you could go to full 30 if you play smart.
Urabizi kuramutse ukoranye ubwenge iminsi 30 wayimara.
And what makes you such an expert?
Ni iki kikugira umuhanga kuri urwo rwego musore?
Tune in and find out.
Oye tegereza zaba ubibona. Tune in and find out.
The pulpit.
Urakaza neza muri pulpit sha. Sore hano afite ikintu cy'igi studio mu rugo.
I want just enough.
Tanje kumwereka ama video y'abandi bagiye bakina uriya mukino mbere yiwe. Do.
What goes on behind the scenes of the biggest freebie show of all time?
Ni ibiki bibera inyuma y'amakamera mutajya mubona inyuma y'amarido muri freebie.
Hustle, episode 30.
Akaza neza kuri Apostle episode ya 3 umusore ufite ikiganiro cyiwe wajya yikorera.
And distribute. The network has 3 types for every run.
Oh my. Network ubundi baba bafite abantu b'ubwoko butatu muri buri masiganwa bagiye gutegura.
Type 1, hopeless dude.
Type ya mbere aba ari umuntu udafite ibyiringiro.
Hopeless dude is cursed with a fatal misunderstanding of human nature.
Ni wa muntu utabasha gusobanukirwa kamere y'ikiremwa muntu.
He usually lasts less than 48 hours.
Ntajya arenza amasaha 48. Yari timu baramwe.
And get me.
Naje mukapata.
Sir, pal. Oh, damn.
Akuno. Uyu musore agiye afite ama video y'uburyo bagiye bicwamo.
Type 2, negative dude.
Hanyuma uwa kabiri ni umuntu utabona ibintu nk'uko abandi babiri.
Negative dude knows he ain't got a chance in hell.
Yewe nta n'amahirwe yabona uko byagenda kose.
Supposed to go out with a bang.
Nimba amaze gutangira gukora ibiciro atangira kubisohokamo. Ubuzima bwanjye burarenze sha.
Smoke by the end of week 1 because he buys too much ass and not enough food.
Impamvu bamwishe nuko yaguze udutafari twinshi akongerwa ubwenge ubwirukansa.
He often serves himself up.
Hakuno nawe.
Suck this in hell!
Murakapfa.
Run her down. Type 3.
Hanyuma umuntu wa gatatu rero.
Oh yeah, final dude.
Wa undi wanyuma final dude.
Final dude has a fierce will to
niwe bafite ubwenge bwabasha kurokoka byibo.
Never wins. The network cheats.
Kubera ko network baramwiba bategura amarushanwa.
They can find anyone anytime.
Ko baba bashaka ko bashaka ari we wese aho yaba ari hose kanya kari kukose.
They let him run
13 days and just like
Papa umunsi wa 13
always said
uko papa nje wajyaga bimu.
But you can't catch a ghost.
Wagerageza ariko ni wafata umuzimu na video y'abandi bagiye bakina uriya mukino The Running Man imbere uyu musore kumwereka.
By the end of week 2, ratings usually peak.
Oh shit.
The crowd, blood and final dude becomes a victim of his own success.
Baje kumubona hakuno.
From destiny.
Sinzi n'iki byose.
But he never outrun.
Uko yagira kose ntabwo yabasha kubacika. Uwo ni Jema ko.
I'm the running man.
Muri Running Man do. Musya mu bupande pande.
That's game.
Rest in peace.
Is that supposed to inspire me?
Oh, byari kumfasha iki? Byari kuntera ingamo mu.
Come on, man.
Yego mwana.
Don't you get it?
Ese nako bibona.
After that escape tonight, live, prime time.
Nyuma yuko wacitse ijoro live abantu bose babireba.
You are final dude.
Ni wewe final dude, ni wewe wanyuma wabasha kurokoka. Ntabwo uri kubibona.
Gonna squeeze every last drop of ratings out of your ass. So
bagiye kugukamura bagukamuremo buri kantu kose kari gutuma abantu bagukunda. Bari kurebera irushanwa.
So negative dude flames out to get somewhere safe, which gives us enough time to set you up for the biggest underdog win in game show.
Cyo tugomba gukora ngiye kugushakira ukuntu ba witsimbye biduha igihe cyo gupanga uburyo uri buze gutsinda ya marushanwa. Abari wowe yatsinze byanyabyo mu mateka.
So where the hell is safe?
Hehe ni hitsimbye rero hehe ndaba nitsimbye.
Working on it.
Nabyo ndi kubikoraho mwana agenda gake. Genda gake ufite ikihe kibazo. Niko. Hakuno.
Ben pal. It's been a while.
You sure you know what you're
doing? Yego mwana, hari yaciyemo ibintu uri gukora urabizi neza mugabo.
Guess we'll find out.
Ndakeka turaza kureba hano hari kwiziniyeri yibanye.
Package headed your way. Yeah, special delivery as seen on Freevee.
Ni igipfunyika kidasanzwe abonye kuri Freevee.
Okay.
Okay. Ndabona ubikoze. Bana bibanira n'umumama wabo.
And pick up location B. Got it.
Sawa, location ndayo.
Baby.
Hakuno.
Okay.
Kakana karwaye. Ebe. Abo yajano. Kareba kana karwa kibuka umugore we. N'umwana we nicyo cyatumye nabaza muri aya marushanwa.
A 5-year-old get lung cancer.
Ese uriya mwana ungana kuriya ni gute yarwaye kanseri yo mu bihaha.
Radioactive dust.
Ni umukungu urimo ama radioactive umwana uri mu burozi bwica.
from the Rhode Island explosion.
Kuri Rhode Island haje guturika.
I heard about that.
Ko ntigeze mbyumva.
You never heard of it because the network owns the news.
Impamvu utabyumvishije nuko network ubwereka tubyite nka leta aribo bayobora itangazo amakuru barigenera icyo rivuga.
They own that munitions factory just
aribo bagena inganda zikora intwaro.
Like they own the government.
Nibo bafite leta mwana.
Comply with safety regs, right?
Niki cyari gutuma biraburiza kandi bari bafite umutekano.
That's Junior said.
Nukuri ya mwana Junior rwaye. Yahumetse umwuka uri mu burozi. Urimo ama radioactive.
Watching. Execs. Not the technicos. You live
yaje hakuno yifate video nk'ibisanzwe.
I'm talking to the people in the co-ops.
Cyane kuvuga abantu bakorana na
leta. Their job, the squatter tribes. The kids getting shot.
Abana bari kurasirwa ku mihanda.
Looking at a goon the wrong way.
Kubera yuko barebye amabandi nabi gusa.
There's something you all need to know.
Hari ikintu kimwe mwese mukene kumenya.
The network is giving our kids cancer and they
network iri gutuma abana bacu barwara amakansi. Barangiza bakanabisibanganya. Video agiye koreza mwibuke video bazikisha kuri asheni ya Free V.
I'm still here. You shit eaters.
Nabikora kimwe mwokarya amanuza mwe. Ndacyahari. Ewan.
Ladies and gentlemen, last night, 7 men and 1 woman gave their lives to protect ours. Their country only matched by the love for their children.
Kubera urukundo bakunda igihugu cyabo n'abana babo. Hakuno babandi uyu mugabo yaturikije nta nubwo ari we baturikije barashanu hari mitiyo ya gazi irabashwanyaguza ariko bari kubishinzwe.
Someone chose to end the lives of these 8 heroes. And that's
umuntu wagerageje wafashe umwanzuro kurangiza ubuzima bw'aba bantu bw'izi ntwari 8.
Someone was Ben Richards.
Kandi uwo muntu nawe ni Ben Richards.
His new tape just arrived. Let's see what he has to say about it.
Tape yiwe cyangwa se cassette yifashe video irahageze reka twumve ibyo avuga.
For all you watching.
Not
the execs, not the technicals. If you live in a tower uptown, I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to the people in the co-ops. The water tribes, the ones who can't get a job. The kids getting shot. They're looking at a goon. Something you all need to know. I laughed my ass off smoking those goons. Laughing at the screams. I was laughing at their kids. Now you know how it felt when Daddy did it to someone else.
Say that. Okay. About the network.
What kind of world are we living in? Isi dusigaye tubamo ni bwoko kimwe sinayisi nabivanze mugabo aramubeshyeye kandi birafashe.
Now 20,000 you got.
Sindi cyabaye abana bakomeje gufasha bamuzonye hakuno tu.
It's getting crazy out here.
Hakuno.
Yeah, we gotta roll. You ready?
Ese uriteguye tugende twagiye. Tugende kabisa. Hakuno. Rebe.
Those biker boys are on the bounty hunt for the reward. Got it. No, I know.
Sigurcha. Baradukurikiye mwana baradukurikiye umugabo ari kubyumva ngo abana niba ari ndubakurikiye sinzi. Hakuno. Baracyadukurikiye mwana nje kubumva mwana. Hakuno. Umutwe muri putu y'imodoka. Kandi urimo ibinogo za pothole. Urimo ibintu by'ibinogo. Asasa byivangamo. Hebe. Hakuri kureba. Hakuno abakurikiye. Kurikiye sinzi ariko. Baya cyawe. Fata. Urupfuzo rw'ipine kubita hakurya. Warasigara sinzi ariko. Ahita afungaho. Yahita afungaho bigishyushye. Mwana umuso tugende. Fata feri.
You good?
Meze neza mwana. Meze neza. Wagwa. Barashimye mu yasu. Subira inyuma. Gonga imbwashukunya hakurya. Nibere mwana. Ewa nibikorye turabigonze twijende kureba. Barabigonze bahita bikomereza imbere. Abana babiri biyemeje gufasha iki? Gufasha Ben Richards. Gufasha Ben Richards ngatsinda y'amarushanwa.
My pen pal needs a day to prep transport to a shelter. You can trust him with your life. Just don't mention hot dogs around the man.
Amasosiso yapo amasosiso cyangwa sausage nazo ni za hot dogs.
Hot dogs?
Yep. Simvuga ijambo hot dogs.
Go catch that slow train to Maine. Less people in the sticks.
Dufate gari ya moshi yerekeza muri Maine.
But keep your head down and don't trust
anyone. Kandi utagira umuntu wizeye.
This guy.
Usibye uyu murara wenyine ngo utumye abari we wenyine wizeye.
Down for the call.
Bamwita Elton Hardcore.
You really think this will work? Look, we
know
they track the envelopes.
You
pre-shoot the rest of your self-tapes, my man. Head south, drops them on the way while I get safe. On the ground, they won't know. Must be that. Just in case. Helping me. We don't got each other's back. This game's over before it even begins.
The network fakes these self-tapes, but they just do something instead. Dear Diary, I woke up with the blahs today. My regular gig of killing time for a me day. So I breakfast in bed. I blew up a courthouse. I know. Creature of habit. Gonna love to an illegal immigrant sheep. You know how sheep tells he's horny.
But we'll see you as the last laugh when Macomb catches him lacking. Now, let's see if Miss Laughlin has burned through the last of her running money.
We're still here! Damn, Richard, that's a tough act to follow, but...
Definitely her.
Laughlin, real. Sheep boy's going down.
No way.
I got 10 clams, says Ben Rich next.
Oh, come on.
Piss the network off all the way.
That's why he's gonna win. The guy. Yeah, he's one of us. Take it final runner. That's a bet. Damn straight.
Seen this Richards guy?
No. But he sounds like quite the character.
He's blind, you fucking idiot.
Me again. Look, here's the real deal. I'm here trying to fight the power. I'm not to have fun. I'm here to win and get back to my family. See me throwing mouth parties. Don't see me at all.
Just in time, Father. It's the best takeout in Maine.
Keep clear. Keep clear. This is a soft life.
Hey, Father.
Paddy.
Can I ask you something?
My
son. I got this girlfriend. Okay.
Okay?
Am I going to hell for using rubbers?
You will go for not using them. I've 10 brothers and sisters. My father said he was in hell every single day.
papa wanjye yajyaga avuga ngo ni mu kuzimu buri munsi iyo twabaga turi mu rugo kugira abavandimwe 10 n'ubundi abana 10 mu rugo umeze nk'uri kuzimu utanayikoresheje urumva waba uri mu kuzimu.
Thanks, Father.
Urakoze Pad.
Have a good night.
Gira ijoro ryiza.
Careful out there.
Kandi wirinde aho ngaho ugiye. Padiri ni magenda kurebera mu kirahure hakuno. Rebe mu kirahure. Bano mugabo ari kumufata video yakumenye. Urakeka ari we mugabo ugiye kumbuza kujya kureba umwana waje kigwari kigo. Ahita shira mano, ahita chafu. Ahita shira abantu kwandika, ahita chayita yikomereza to. Kijijwe n'amaguru icyo joro nakora n'ubwa rwandiko n'itepo agomba kohereza. Kira hakuno mukurikira abamukurikiye. Amukurikira we hakuno. Cyo kwitara padiri ntabwo bite. Twe itarenga senyenge. Hakuno. Ari kumuhiga baje kira gutya. Sore amukurikiye. Tayijugunya muri gari ya moshi hakuno. Jugunya muri gari ya moshi hakuno itayiva majya mu yindi garuka inyuma.
Fuck you, Richards! Die!
Kijari shawo kapfa we pibyupfa. Tugeze ku munsi wa kangahe wa 13. Aba masaha n'iminota 15.
Fellow citizens. And let me make this clear.
For
the cheap seats. If on this show I died for the two things I believe in. My wife and my kid. And everyone else can fuck off.
Hari kampeni yatangiye Richard Reeves abose ari kumuburana Richard agomba kubaho. Gaje akuna abantu bari kureba free share ya televiziyo kino kiganiro The Running Man waza kureberamo nk'abandi bose do.
She rolled the dice on a very public appearance at the Holy Grail Casino.
Wa mukobwa na wa ari gukina urusimbi do. Mukobwa ari gukina urusimbi ski. Kezana sanga mukobwa. Umukobwa hakuno nagiye cyamamare kazi umukobwa arabizarika abahigi bamugezeho aracika ya mukobwa wundi nawe uri gukina abasigaye. Umukobwa aracike wana n'abacike bo bagiga. Umukobwa yari kureba Ben Richards ari kureba kunyabaho umukobwa murakari kiri kiniki kirano bafata pose uyo.
Not so fast, Miss Laughlin. No blaze of glory for you.
Hakuno aje kumufata baramutwika nawe.
Now I know
yarabibonye.
Bobby T, you didn't get the key.
Bobby T agari we bamwishe.
We didn't.
Hano bwari twe twamwishe.
Hey there.
Ibyana nibyo byamwishe.
Chuck and Cheeto, brave defenders of their community.
Abahanga barinda societe.
Overtake.
Sorry, hunters. All you managed to kill was my vibe. Other kids don't drink and drive.
Nimubizi ko abana batwara banyweye koko. Ewan. Nibwo bazaga kumutwika abana.
That's some hot footage.
Jona bamutwitse ari kwifata video asiko yacitse.
Jeff and Cheeto will receive a lifetime
Jeff na Cheeto
supply of
ikintu tuzabahemba.
Fun Twink cereal.
Tuzajya tubahemba ibintu tuzi by'ubuzima bwabo bwose.
And then
hakuno
there was one.
Asigaye wenyine Ben Richards. Ben Richards ni usigaye. Ewa wa munara we wacha abantu bari kumufana.
Successful contestants since season 1.
Abantu bari kumufana tugeze ku munsi wa 10 na kangahe 13 mwibuka ari ahantu ari kwerekeza.
Come on, hurry. Hunters will be out. Things are gonna start ramping up. Surprised if they fire up the DNA sniffers tonight.
I don't want anything else. I don't need anyone.
Tough guy.
Is that clear?
Sanga umukecuru nawe ari kureba televiziyo umukecuru uri muri inzu kwa musore bamwereje ngo amufashe.
I'm not looking for any friends. Don't ask for an autograph.
Alfie! What if he's in Derry?
He's not in Derry, Mom.
wasanga uyu musore ari muri izi karitsiye zacu za
Oh, it's fine. She thinks you're an actual demon, but she's
mama ari gutekereza kuri daimoni
fairly deaf. We can use
ariko humura ntago
our
yumva
normal voices.
twakoresha amajwi asanzwe ikibi nuko waza
Well, bastard.
icyo kinyendaro mu kinyice muyarabyumva
Hunt him down!
muhiga imbwa yapfuye
She
inzu
used
yahugiyemo
to be a kind, clever woman.
yahoze ari umugore mwiza w'umwana mwiza mama
This is where it all happens.
aha byose byabereye
Amateur lab for making handcrafted soap, as far as you know.
aho kuno ari laboratoire iri hano
Normal, non-revolutionary literature. Wink, wink.
kumusobanurira
My harmless community newsletter.
hano niho nandikira ibinyamakuru bya
Drift?
reba hano abona ahantu handitse hot dogs
What's a DNA sniffer?
harya mu kanya kuvuze ngo DNA sniffer ni iki
Black ops scanners that ID highly
ni placards zikora ariko zitemewe
fragmented strands of DNA.
uburyo bagenda baguhiga bakoresheje DNA zawe noneho
These things are hidden in every street lamp across the country, which is why you
igihugu cyose kikaba kiri kuguhiga
gotta get underground ASAP.
ariyo mpamvu iyo bitangiye uba ukeneye kujya ahantu munsi y'ubutaka vuba cyane byihuse iyo batangiye gukoresha DNA sniffers ubundi to sniff ni uguhunahuna kwa kundi imbwa zigenda zihunahuna DNA sniffers rero ni amamashini bagenda bakoresha arimo amadrone harimo n'ibindi bintu byesitaye ku muhanda ku buryo aho uciye hose bahita babona warning bagendeye kuri DNA zawe rero ukeneye kujya hehe kujya munsi y'ubutaka nko mu buvumo cyangwa
Man, if you want to ask, just ask.
mwana niba aricyo ushaka kumva azakimbaza
What is that? What's
Kiriya
a hot dog cart?
kiriya gikati cyanditseho hot dog kandi baramubujije
My dad was a cop.
papa wanjye yari umupolisi
A good cop.
yari umupolisi w'umwana mwiza
Quit in protest when the network privatized local police.
yasezeye akazi bitewe n'ukuntu network ari itangiye gufata abapolisi ashaka kwikorera nk'umupolisi wo muri karitsiye bisanzwe
Officers should be accountable to the towns that pay them, not the government.
yatekerezaga yuko umupolisi aba agomba gukorera abantu bamuhemba apana guverinoma imuha amategeko
Sure as hell not some megacorp.
yari umupolisi mwiza
We bought the cart.
nibwo yaje kugura iki kimashini gikora hot dogs
Busted his ass. We never missed a meal.
akigifite ntitwigeze tubwirirwa cyangwa tuburara
Better an honorable hot dog vendor than a crooked goon.
yaragiye yicururiza hot dogs kurusha kubi bandi rikorera leta
But his friends who signed on with the NCG didn't appreciate his choices.
ariko abapolisi bari bamaze gusinira NCG bakoranaga nawe ntabwo bigeze bishimira ko yari abavuyemo agiye gucuruza ibyo bituzi
And they let him know every chance they got. He made damn sure we were safe in this house.
nta kindi cyabaye rero papa yamenye neza ko atwereje mu nzu ahantu turinzwe
Every time he took that card out,
buri gihe yasohokanaga kiriya kimashini agiye guhiga ibiceri
well, you see what it did to my mom.
ndakeka ubonye ibyo bakoreye mama bariya
It's what they did to my dad.
ni nabyo bakoreye data rero
His buddies on the force never solved the case. They're the ones who killed him. But you can't kill an idea.
muzehe bakimara kumwica abamwishe abapolisi bakoranaga nawe ntabwo bigeze bagerageza kugira gute gushaka uwamwishe cyangwa se ngo abiryozwe
Dad was their
nta
worst
kindi kintu na kimwe bigeze babikora ariko buriya wakwica igitera
Nightmare.
ntiwakwica ikibimutera
a free man with a conscience.
data yego yari ameze nk'umuntu ubabangamira ariko byangumye
And everything they destroyed in him lives on in me.
buri kintu barimbuye cyari muri data gisigaye kiba muri njye
A nuclear blast
bimeze nk'aho ari igisasu kindimo kizaturika
that never burns out.
ariko kitaraturikira hano hanze hanyuma
Monster.
tunywemo kuri iyi monster sha
I'm good.
oya ameze neza monster ni energy drink nka kuriya wumva ngo super commando bayita super commando harya imwe regisi yamamaza
You can't outrun fate. You cannot.
hakuno batangiye kumwohereza nawe ntabwo washaka ikigomba kukubaho ati ibyo ntabwo ari ukuri bashyiramo hano
Before he was killed, Dad refurbed this Cold War shelter he found in a
mbere yuko data bamwica yari yarubatse ubuvumo
nearby forest.
nako yari yaravumbuye ubuvumo mu ishyamba
I have a detailed map for how to get there.
nashushanyije mapu y'uburyo wageraho
You
hantu
could survive down there for 3 years, but you'll
wagenda ukabaho hantu ukaba wamaramo n'imyaka
only
nk'itatu
need it for 2 weeks.
ariko icyo ukeneye ni ibyumweru bibiri gusa
Reshoot the rest of your tapes tomorrow.
ejo nibwo tuzashutinga amatepsi yose cyangwa se amakase tuzakenera kugira ngo ukomeze wohereze mu minsi isigaye
What do you think?
tekereza iki dushutingiye kuri ishusho ya Che Guevara iyi ngiyi seyo
Maybe just white.
twashutingiye ku y'umweru iyi ngiyi ni nayo ikubita ku mutima sha
You can be arrested just for having the truth in your house. So these won't be distributed until right after you win.
What the hell?
It's a special issue on the network's most heinous crimes.
hakuno urebe
What to do with me?
A bomb's chemicals hold great power, but without an initiator to make it go boom, it's harmless. You know why they cheered for you down there? They think you just might win. And if you can survive against those chemicals...
What the hell?
It's a special issue on the network's most heinous crimes.
What does that have to do with me?
A bomb's chemicals hold great powers.
Be
distributed until right after you win.
What
the hell?
It's a special issue on the network's most heinous crimes.
What does that have to do with me?
Chemicals hold great power. But without an initiator to make it go boom, it's harmless. You know why they cheered for you down there? They think you just might win. You can survive against those goons, so can they. People have had it. This country's ready to blow. And you're the initiator.
I'm not the initiator. I'm a guy trying to get back to his family.
It's you against the world either way, brother. Be both. My mom thinks the bathroom across the hall is haunted, so that's all you.
Mama yaravuze ngo ntago azahagaruka ngo harimo amadayimoni ubwo nahawe honyine hari haunted.
The light in the hallway is off. She's asleep.
Cyecura araryamye humura. Hey. Musa.
I appreciate what you're doing.
Nagushimira ibyo uri gukora.
But if they find out you helped me, those same goons that got your dad.
Ariko nibaramuka bamenye kuri kumfasha amabandi yishe papa wawe.
They'll come for you.
Nawe bazaguhiga.
You can hope.
Kwereka.
This message is for Kathy.
In case
you see this.
Injebo kimaze kuba ibihumbi 52 by'idolari. Ibyo mbonye niki cyanasinze. Rebe, byumweru bibiri.
This message is for Kathy.
Iyi ni message nohereje Kathy ibihumbi 52 hatariho ya bonus y'amabandi yishe.
In case you see this someday. I wanted to impart a little dad advice.
Nura mukubonye akakantu umunsi muzamenye kari inama papa yakugiriye.
Rule 1.
Tegeko rya mbere mwana wanje.
Take care of your mom. She's your best friend.
Uzite kuri mama wawe n'inshuti yawe.
Rule 2.
Tegeko rya kabiri.
Bullies are cowards.
Guserereza abandi n'ubugwa. Umuntu najya guserereza ujye umwishyura.
Rule 3.
Tegeko rya gatatu.
Can be kind and strong at the same time.
Waba umwana mwiza kandi ukaba n'umuntu ukomeye icyarimwe byakunda. Nanyu.
Rule 4.
Tegeko rya
Don't trust the network.
Ntuzizere network cyasaba abantu bakora ibi bintu.
Ever. And Rule 5.
Tegeko rya gatanu mwana wanje.
You remember, your dad loves you a whole lot.
Ujye wibuka ko papa agukunda kandi cyane.
I'll be looking for you. No matter what.
Nzakomeza ngushakisha ahantu uzajya hari hose mwana wanje. Cyabi cyari cyo cyose. Ujye rero mucyacu aramubona. Ari mbizi kari wowe.
Murderer.
Wacicanye.
Stay away from my elf.
Ujye kure y'umwana wanje mucyacu. Mucyacu.
You'll never eat puppies again.
No. Ugiye cyajya gukanda ku muruza. Ihuruza bari abantu baza gwigwa umusore mucyacu.
Ma'am. If you press that button, the NCG will come and fire you. Okay, they will not care who gets caught in the crossfire. It will be a bloodbath. Ain't every goon in the state coming through that door, right? Don't.
What crime would you like to report?
Ben
Richards just broke into my home.
Ben Richards yanyinjiriye mu nzu.
Masa, you.
Mama yakubonye ubundi yari kubikora wino tujede mwana.
5 minutes to fight with these guys.
Yene minute 5.
Before we do.
Mbere yuko bari abajinga bagera hano.
Grab your stuff, I'll get the zines.
Fata ibintu byawe nanjye njiri byo negureba ndare mukecureba. Aha! Arahiye je wakunita fata mapu. Fata ibice cyose apakira yihuse.
It's dangerous.
Ntabwo uri kumva mama ibi ni bibi.
Get in the safe room.
Mama ajya mu cyumba gifite umutekano. Cyakubona uriya mujinga bamwica. Cyakumubana bamwica. Yararahiye yarahagiye. Humekera hejuru. Dododo. Bahageze. Faya! Bahageze bakiba. Tabazi sansurira vuga sinzi ariko. Dododo. Sansurira vuga. Sansu ryaravuze. NCG bahageze. NCG ni leta ikorana n'abande. Mama.
Richards is in
arimo hano muri koridoro kino kigoryi niko kiri nyagasani umukecuru umukecuru ndeka ngende mwana wanjye reka ngende nshaka kureba ariko yahita afungirana umukecuru ngwino hano mwana ngwino hano tugende nabigoryi mwe mwaraje ahantu hatariho twe turi hano hakuno biteze ibintu utamenya by'ibitsinga by'ibishanyarazi biteza za hakuno ufatira imbunda irasa amazi asura umusazi mwana ntagihe dufite cyo gukina imikino turagifite umuhigi wa mbere ugera hano yihuse arahagera mu minota 4 n'amasegonda 30 twe turaba twagiye kare aba bica hakuno NCG nk'abapolisi bo ntago ari abahigi abagenga mwe muze turi hakuno baza hano uyu twabonye yateze ibintu by'ibishanyarazi arabanza pompa imbunda amazi arazamura yebe aca hakuno yarabareba arasa amashanyarazi abahereza bene wabo abaha bene wabo cyengunda inyama ziriho n'agafiriti wacikwa ryose ziriho n'inyama wokeje twagiye yagira gutya shyiraho rezano twagiye ca mu gikuta ndarakurikira umusore inzu ye yipanze atuje agica muri reza bahita babatwika twagiye zamuka hejuru sinzi ariko barakurikira kubera iki turi hejuru mwana kandi bazamuka kuri esikariye sinzi umusore kira gutya kurura hano esikariye zijugunya abagabo umusore inzu ye yipanze atuje Elton ni kubera iki turi kuzamuka hejuru aho kumanuka zahapuno kubera ibi ngibi.
You brought us up here so you could slide down a pole.
I brought us zanyano kugira ngo tumanukire kuri iki cyuma
so we could slide down.
Nkuzanyano kugira ngo tumanukire kuri iki cyuma nyine. Agitsinda amasasa aravuga ngagiye icyamamare nawe ahita amanuka do
4 minutes flat.
Sinakubwiye iminota 4 kubwiye ngo twagiye kare.
We are still in the gate.
Turacyari muri iyi nzu twagiye hehese twagiye azakuna kuracya kimashini cya hot dogs zamura hakuno kumbe mu hano harimo inzira ihinguka munsi y'iki munsi y'inzu harimo ubuvumo mo hasi mu nzu.
Tactical flashlight. Pretty powerful.
Yeah.
Come on.
Mwana kugera hano kumba abahigi bagezemo Elton akigera hano umuhigi yahise amutama.
I'm gonna sever your Achilles and drag you outside. Chief wants to end your run in person.
Chef garashaka kwirangirira.
Camera.
Kuri kamera. Uratse kigabo. You know it. Mubaga mu kiganza. Baga mu kiganza. Musore sinzi. Iragurikira ariko zinga hakuno ibyazinga. Fatira urwembe hano ni urwembe. Kati kigabo munsi wakagurukiye we. Ewe. Ufatira imbunda. Musa wagwani.
Don't let him answer that.
Natuma yitabiri ya telefone arayita.
Still there?
Aracyari cyane. Mumereze. Fatasha. Ibiri nete hano.
There he is.
Ndakubona umusa bimeze bite?
Mr. Richards, you are killing it.
Killing it.
Kubikora kabisa.
People are dying, you fucking psychopath.
Abantu bari gupfa musazi we.
If you could fake everything, why do you
ibintu byose wabasha kubifeka nkuko wafetse zira video?
Just fake the whole show.
Show bundi yo wifete.
Believe me, we have tried.
Twarabigerageje.
That special unpredictable spark.
Ariko abantu hari ukuntu bagira gutya bagashyiramo akamaninyeri nyine utamenya rugaturutse.
Lives for these happy accidents.
Abantu bagashimishwa nabyo.
A little advice?
I'll pass.
Reka nkugire inama.
Make sure my family gets some money.
Jeni napfa mumenye neza ko umuryango wanjye uzabona ibiciro. Richard wigenda ariko.
You can still win this game, but you have to play it smart.
Uyu mukino wawe utsinda ariko ugomba kuwukina n'ubwenge.
Send a rover into that tunnel.
Nohereje kamera muri iyo tunnel.
Finish off that hunter. Wait for my cue to exit.
Nagize umuhigi hanyuma umbwire nkwereke inzira uri busohokere.
You want me to off one of your own guys?
Uragira ngo ndangize umwe mu basore bawukoresha.
It's all good freebie.
Byose abari sawereka kuri freebie.
Okay, on you.
Freebie ni asheni nyine abantu babibona babona ari show.
5, 4, 3.
Guricha. Na imbunda.
1.
Seconda 5 na 3 rimwe. Arasigi kamera hosh.
Get in.
Hakuno.
What about the doors?
Umuryango urafunze. Amaze twagiye bicucyuye. Umuryango ufunze. Imodoka bicometsemo hano. Cometse mu kimodoka sinzi ariko. Hariya mwana hakurya. Manuka hakuno mu ishyamba sinzi ariko. Yana yimbwa. Mwana wa maraya badukurikiye bazanye imbunda. Ambuka kiriya kiraro bari unsiga. Jemba sigase inyuma makerereza. Ibintu by'ibisasu utamenya.
Survival is the win.
Urokoka niko gutsinda hakuno. Kata hano. Dododododo. Mwana sinzi ariko. Filime n'imbara nayirebye bakiniye mu bwirizo butisha. Na mwana usyaravoma.
Bunker is in the middle of the forest. Remember, you're the initiator.
Wibuke mwana umeze nkaho uri imbarutso umusore bakigenda isasu riramurya. Isasu ryaramuriye. Makon uhiji mukuru bimeze bite se? Biza gucakana ikimodoka arabanza aragikata. Richard Green Light mu mwica umubona mwice. Green Light yatanzwe. Hiji hakuno. Sorry baramubona. Aha ni u Rwanda ruherera Richard nta handi ho kwirukankira ufite. Genda imbarutso. Amen initiator. Jewe kabitera ubundi ninjye kabitera. Kandi nica gitera iki kibimutera kandagira imodoka. Yuzuye ibisasa arangije agira gutya. Arayijabuka. Kabum! Musore! Manuka cyo yicomeka amazi. Bahita bamwongera ibihumbi 100 by'umuhigi yishe.
The hunt. Can you feel it?
Muri kubyumva mwe musina yisagaruka mu kirori.
Your heart beats faster.
Wa 17 niho tugeze no dori ibyo bohereje biri kumuhigato. Ibipfaro.
It's no game.
Uyu mukino ntago ukiri umukino.
Life and death are on the line.
Bisa nkaho ari ubuzima n'urupfu noneho biri ku murongo umwe.
You feel it, Mr. Richards?
Kubyumva Mr. Richards?
Congratulations.
Félicitations.
You took out a hunter.
Wishe umuhigi. Hantu y'umwishe w'abari ibihumbi 100.
Now it's down to 4 of them.
Ubu hasigaye abahigi bane gusa.
Plus every citizen of this great nation.
Konge abene igihugu b'iki gihugu.
5 paces west of Big Rock.
Hakuno yararebye. Banza reba kuri ya mapa hano bamurangiye ngo hari ubuvumo. Kureba hakurya harahindutse. Kubyumva murata muri kubi umuriro.
The acrid stink of fear as the prey animal realizes he's surrounded by predators.
Uko inyamaswa iri guhigwa imaze kumenya ko yazengurutswe n'impigi zihiga.
Reality sinks in as he scurries to hide.
Bwabwoba bwatumaga ijya kwihisha buyishira.
Desperately hoping to survive.
Icanganyukiye n'ukundi ribuze kurokoka.
He already knows it's too late.
Ariko muri indani bibizi yuko nyine yamaze gukerererwa ntaho gucikira. Kubera ko
this is America, goddammit.
Iyi ni Amerika nta hantu waducikira. Ntabwo tujya twemera tu. Gabo hakuno yirukanse ntako atagize.
Richard chose this path.
Richard yahisemo inzira yo.
To show him where it ends.
Rero ni inshingano zayo kumwerekana iyo nzira iribuze kurangira tu. Richard yageze mu jano. Hige nyana yibwa mu yici. Umuhige hakuno. Hey. Aje hakuno. Arananiwe. Byamaze iminsi amaze agenda do. Yaguye agacuho. Kwiyenge kagatagahita gwa agacuho. Kamwiriyeho nimba ari kurota nimba ari iki sinzi. Reba ariya mwana wanjye.
I told you to get you out of there.
Sinakubwiye ko nzakuvana hano ha.
People on this show never come back.
Kibazo nuko abantu bagiye muri kino kirori bakaja bagaruka. Gamukereyeho. Nimba twakita ikirori, nimba twakita amarushanwa, nimba twakita iki. Ni show ica kuri televiziyo yitwa Free V.
Is a message for Killian.
Buno ubutumwa kuri Killian.
Hey Dan.
Vadan, MC.
I'm starting to get how this game works.
Natangiye kumenya ukuntu uyu mukino ukorwa.
It's not about me winning or losing.
Nimba itari ngiye ngo ndatsinda cyangwa ndatsindwa.
It's about your ratings. About how much chaos I can cause.
byibura namanota mu mpani bibazo ndi buteze.
I'm taking this thing all the way to the end.
Yabasigi kime cyaki kaseta ya namwe mu kijana. Yarakaye.
And I'm done playing defense, I promise you that.
Dambe gukomeza kwigira nkaho ndi kwirinda. Oya.
So here's the deal.
Dore deal ikurikiyeho rero.
I will see my family again.
Ngiye gushaka uburyo nzongera kubona umuryango wanjye.
And as long as they keep getting paid,
kandi mu gihe cyose umuryango wanjye ukishyurwa,
you can put whoever you want in front of me. I will
uzanyohereza uwo mushaka uwo ari we wese.
Run through all of them.
Nzabacamo kandi nzabatsinda, nzabemeza. Yaje hakuno dore za DNA tracker sniffers. Za DNA sniffers yaraje araziyereka.
I'm from slum side.
Jemvuka mu cyabo.
Let's throw the rule book out.
Ibintu byo kugendera ku mategeko tunabive.
Mutually profitable annihilation.
Bunono tugiye gukora ibirimo inyungu.
You want a show?
Simushaka show ngo mbakorere show. Okay. Reka mbahe show. Hakuno. Kureba hakuno. Imodoka kari hano.
Americanos. Americanos. Let's do this.
We interrupt the Americanos. Update from the
abari bari kureba Americanos mwihangane gatoyo.
The floor is done.
None iki kirori nawe ugikunda iki gifilime narindi kureba. Usore yabonye akamodoka hakuno. Ahita kaza imbere to. Sana mendo kiraure. Rumba bazenda kwinjinza upfa mugore. Bantu fane moto pilot.
Take the next back road north.
Irukanga twari imodoka nta muriro nsigaranye.
Your battery is 93%.
Imodoka iramuri naburiza usigaranyemo 95 mabuja.
If you
don't mabandi uri kubona
back this car up,
nudasubiza iyi modoka inyuma.
Right now.
Aratwica twese kandi bikorerona kurasubiza imodoka inyuma. Toto mu muhanda sinzi ariko. Konga hakuno. Kuri twaturinda abasazi kuri za garide fu. Abahiji baje ni benshi. Komeza utwara imodoka tugende. Komeza utwara imodoka tugende. Mu muhanda sinzi. Mu muhanda modoka zaje ni nyinshi sinzi ariko. Yesu Kristo.
Self-driving cars. Recalculating.
Kureba hakuno.
Keep it pointed north.
Komeza uje mu majyaruguru.
All the way to the border.
Paka ku mupaka.
Go ahead. Say what you gotta say.
Muko, mbwira ibyo ushaka kumbwira ndabona waraka. Kubera iki?
You can go crazy and kill me?
Kugira ngo usaru nyicese.
No.
Oja ntabyo ngubwiye.
You have 1 minute.
Sigaranye umunota
Speak freely.
Kugira ngo uvuge wibohoye. Waba.
Live with yourself.
Ubundi ubayehute, eh?
You dare sit there and criticize my driving?
Wicaye hano uri kuncira imanza ngo ntwara nabi.
I had to operate my own car?
Unyigisha uko ntwara imodoka yanjye, eh?
Member of society.
Nanjye none umenye ko ndi muri bamwe bategura ruri amarushanwa. Nanjye ndi umumember wa society.
You disgust me.
Uri igisebo uransebye.
You abandoned that starving baby.
Wataye umwana nkuriya wishwe n'inzara.
Horrible wife of yours.
Nuriya mugore wawe umeze kuriya.
So you can what?
Kugira ngo bigende bite?
Kill people for money?
Kugira ngo wice abantu ubona amafaranga.
Only kill the best people.
Ikibabaje nuko wagiye wica abantu beza gusa.
Protect us from
abantu baturinda.
Wealth like you.
Baturinda ibirura nkawe.
That's not a word I use.
Ubundi iryo si ryo jambo nagakoresheje. Gira gutya.
That is my family.
Uyu ni wo muryango wanjye wa mugore we. Muryango wanjye
We came up for the park. Watched Kathy try ice cream for the first time.
Nimwe nigeze kujya muri park ndeba umwana wanjye ari kugerageza kurya ice cream bwa mbere.
That was the best day of my life.
Wari wo munsi wa mbere mwiza mu buzima bwanjye.
Right.
Navuga ukuri ko.
Oh, it's so fake.
Iriya show ni fake turi.
Not the bullets. Not the death.
Ariko amasasa arimo si fake. N'impfu zirimo si fake.
Just the part that makes people like you think
nicyo gituma abantu nkawe.
You're better.
Utekereza ko muri abantu beza kuturusha.
How much was that?
Reka ikintu mubaza
scarf?
Iyo furari wambaye mu ijosi yo scarf igura ngahe?
Huh?
Mukira.
More than the meds my daughter needed when she was
igura amafaranga menshi kurusha amafaranga y'imiti umwana wanjye yari akeneye. Aho kugira ngo yicwe n'umusonga.
The flu.
Umusonga uri kubyumva flu n'umusonga cyangwa ibintu by'ibicurane bigendana gutyo.
Human life hanging around your neck.
Ubwo n'ubuzima bw'umwana w'umuntu buziritse mu ijosi ryawe.
You seem to be doing fine.
Ariko n'ubundi se ko mbona umeze neza.
Who can blame you? It's a nice scarf.
Ninde wabigushinza se ko wambaye agafurari keza?
Not of that person.
Not start crying.
Oh yeah, witangira kurira.
I will shoot us both if you start crying.
Utangira kurira ndirasa nawe nkurasa.
When it's over.
Biye byo kurira byararangiye mu. Shiraho. Kigali we.
For an emergency vehicle. Nice. Disable it. Disable it. Do not pull on.
Babashyirisha ku ruhande kandi bimodoka bigezweho ziriya modoka zanyu mwirwa mugura ngo naguze ngo Kia ngo Kenus ngo naguze ngo Prius. Reba imodoka byanyu bire electronic tuzajya tubibabikisha ku ruhande. Hakuno polisi yamukubise ubuduhe imodoka ite yishyira ku ruhande. because imodoka ziba zesitaye ntabwo wayitwara.
You have successfully yielded. Nice.
Hakuno. Kigali we.
Hey, Richards.
Richards we.
Pulled over by the Rustic Rock Militia Boys.
Washyizwe ku ruhande natwe barara bita Rustic Rock Militia Boys.
We're here securing our homestead in the name.
Twe dushinzwe umutekano wo muri iyi quartier duhagarariye network. Wigira icyazo rata sheri wacu w'umukobwa.
Step out of the car.
Weva mu modoka.
You'll be safe with us.
Uraza ko ufite umutekano uri kumwe nawe.
Him we want.
Uwo niwe dushaka. Ibitekerejeho. Sawa igendere muko igendere. Umukobwa atarava mu modoka bagabo hari uwabahaye. Hari drone yaje barasado. Nagasani. Hey. Iki drone ni bivuye.
Fuck is happening?
Ni ibiki biri kuba?
Producers just killed network militia.
Aba producer b'iyisho nibo bishe iriya network aho kugira ngo bice ngewe. Sibyo? Bishe abakozi ba network.
Those men were just trying to protect me from you.
Bari abagabo bageragezaga kundinda bakundinda.
What's it gonna take for you to get? I'm not the best.
Ese ubundi wemera gusaba iki kugira umenye ko ntari umwana mubi gafatwa imbundu ndasa.
Take the car. Drive away. I don't want to hurt you.
You think
that imodoka utware sinshaka kukwica ugenda umva imbere.
They'll let you walk after seeing that?
Urakeka bari buze kukureka ugende nyuma yo kubona biriya se.
Show now.
No.
Nawe bamaze kugushyira muri show wayigeze.
I'm not.
Oya ntabwo nyiri.
And this time he's got a hostage.
Richard aracyariho kandi afite imfungwa. Bita Amelia Williams.
27-year-old realtor.
Imyaka 27 uturuka muri Bangor. Mwamfashije ariko batangira kugaragaza afite umukobwa atigeze yifata ngari gusakuza. Nawe urakaza neza muri running man turi kumwe mada.
This continues. Williams Alpine heads north on Rustic Rock sighting road. The NCG to go into full tactical alert.
Turn it off.
And kidnapped.
Richard umusani we wacu rata umusani we wacu abantu afite umufana kubigesho yatangiye kubona umufana sinabyiza amabanda ari imbere mwana amabanda ari imbere mwana bari kugenda banamurangirana n'amabanda amutekereje ari iyo watangiye kubona amanota abantu bagukunze barakureka baba bakuretse babaretse kuko
we play our parts to let us pass.
Dukora ibyo tugomba gukora bari baratureka tugende. Rebe hakuno.
Okay.
Amabandi yabateze.
I'm not going to shoot.
Apana bahije basigaye niba bafitemo nandi mabandi kwa.
Do it live.
Do what live?
Kiago babikola live. Bakora ibikiza kunyica. Mupanure barabapanurira.
Why are they cheering for you when I'm the hostage?
Kubera icyo bari kuguinzira kandi ndi imfungwa.
Unbelievable.
Hakuno.
You give me the gun.
Wamaire jombo ndamuko.
No.
You're
obviously the hero.
Nundi mbona wabaye intwari. Ngaho yimerero nyizeye.
I don't think we're going to need this anymore.
Ndakeka imbuga tutakikeneye. Arayijugunya.
Oh my god, I just saw Ben Richards.
Mananje mbonye Ben Richards.
I'm sorry, wait.
Babarire iki?
I am Ben Richards.
Ije Ben Richards.
You don't want to be the reason Amelia dies.
Niba mudashaka impamvu Amelia ari bupfe dore ibyo bari kwereka abantu kandi si byo birimo.
Get this message to Killian.
Ubu butumwa mubuhereze Killian.
Please.
You heard the
lady. Yopishije umugore to. Ewana ukana mwana umusa running mwana umugabo yamaze kwigarurira fan base afite umupfana urusha. Ya equipe yambara umweru n'ubururu. Ya equipe nzova fana. Okay. Anko elephant bageze akuno dora bahijito. Ebe. Segurcha. Fatira hakuno ka megafone.
Before you murder us.
Bere uko mutwica.
Make up some bullshit why it had to be done.
Mubanze mwumvikanisha impamvu byagombaga kuba.
Look at all these people who know the truth.
Mureba abantu bose bari hano bamaze kumenya
uko. Kill all of them? Because I am.
Muri ready yo kubica se? Ariko nge ndi ready.
I'm holding on to this bullhorn with my right hand.
Kabako kanje k'iburyo gafashe imbarutso.
Left hand is in my front pouch.
Na imini akabako kanje k'iburyo gafashe megafone, akibumoso gafashe imbarutso iri mu mufuka.
Wrapped around 12 pounds of Black Irish.
Iyo mbarutso izengurutse igisasu cyo mu bwoko bwa Black Irish. Barikanga.
When I used to work at Network Public Utility,
Gikora muri network public utility.
Get these 2-ton fat bergs. Take less than a gram to blow those up.
Nibwo namenye ko bisaba amagarama make kuba waturitse ikintu kingana n'urugamba. None mwibaze pound 10.
Is everything in a half-mile radius.
Naturitse ibintu byose biri hano muri hafi kimwe cya kabiri cya mile. Ngo ni nko muri metero nka 700 gutyo. Abantu barikanga.
FE-20 is the most highly regulated industrial explosive
ni ibisasu bisoka ku mubare
but even set foot in a state that sells it.
Nta nubwo bijya ku isoko ngo bigurishwe. Nta nibibi na
Molly didn't tell you everything.
Umenya morali katara kubwiye ibintu byose kandi mwibuke kwa Mori hari ko ku bwoko bw'ibyo bisasu mwibuka mubwira ngo wabasha kureba hari.
I got my finger stuck in the detonator ring and it's on half cock.
Aya ngubwire yuko mfite urutoki rufashe mu mbarutso.
So, I want one of those big fancy flying V airplanes.
Niyo mpamvu nkeneye indege nziza kandi henze.
2 auto shoots handed to Amelia at the bottom of the ramp. If the shoots are sabotaged, you make any sudden moves, back those trucks up and let me on that tarmac right fucking now. Go boom. I'll just see you in hell and laugh in your face. Shouldn't take long. He's got a direct line to the boss. Last chance to run.
You made me feel like I'm the bad guy. Now I have to prove I'm not. You're not the one I'm trying to prove it to. So I am.
Your handbag is a bomb. You'll never win. I'm getting out the back door and wait out the clock.
What if they call your bluff?
You make sure they know it's real. Get scared, freak out, curse, scream. Call me the worst names possible. Just for everything bad. It's all good freebie. When McCone hands you the shoots,
I won't have to act.
You grab a gun, you'll know it's time to go off. Oh, I think you're the guy who stops me from seeing my daughter again. Get on the plane. Take your mask off. Keep dreaming. Do what he says. Do what he says.
Kumbi. Umusa bimeze bite wagwana.
Show starts at 8.
Kirori kiratangira saa 2 shaka ibintu cyo mu ndege tugende ibindi ububyihoreye.
Mr. Richards, to the Net Air.
Nakaza neza kuri Net Air Flying V.
The ultimate in private travel.
Kuno ni ndege iri
Our safety features. This is first class comfort.
First class comfort. Nakwicara no hakuno.
And enjoy the most relaxing flight of your life.
Welcome aboard, Mr.
Kaza neza mu ndege Mr. Richards.
Holloway.
Banyita Captain Holloway.
Excuse me if I don't shake your hand.
Bare kuba nta gukora mu ntoki.
That's First Officer Dunninger.
Uyu ni officer wa mbere Dunninger.
Navigation Officer Donahue too.
Uriya ni Navigation Officer Donahue. Uri bumoso bwawe.
You're missing one.
Komba namubura mu mwese.
Hey Captain.
Abagabarabazi n'abahiji yabishe mu mwe muri bo. Yaramwishe we yageze mana itababona abahiji nibo bagiye kumutwara.
Laboratories around this rust bucket?
4.
6. Why don't you check them all for stowaways? Laboratories around this rust bucket?
Hakuno. Kuri last bucket harimo laboratories zinga.
4.
Enye.
6.
Esheshatu.
You check them all for stowaways.
Kubera iki mutabashije
kuza. Up on me.
Yagira umuntu nyinjira nakaza kuniga ntareba.
It's going to be a real short ride.
Urugendo rurahita ruba rugufi. Iri joro sugiye he?
Plot a route over the richest homes from here to Canada.
turi buce hejuru y'inzu z'abakire ariko tujya muri Canada.
Fly as low as you can. Let me
kandi mugendere hasi mu buryo bushoboka.
As you wish.
Unambwire ni haba hasigaye iminota 10 ngo tugere muri Canada. Uko bidusabye n'abahije babaga barabazi. Ikindi cyabaye bahagurukije indege. Za ndege zigezweho. Ko mwandanje aga private jet ko kugura we.
Feel free to move about the cabin.
Richards, 6 minutes to showtime.
Where
they clear me to blow your head off in front of a couple billion people.
You know, you should really put some makeup on before the show starts.
Let's go.
You want to go? We can all go, right? Do it. Do it, big tough guy. See if I twitch.
Show him the bomb!
If I offer you an amnesty deal and an exit visa.
Nothing but a Halloween costume. You can't offer me shit.
Mr. Richards.
Can't. But I can. How about I offer you a deal? You tell your hunters in the cockpit to do what I tell them.
And I admire your commitment to the bit, but we're short on time, so I'll be blunt. No, you're bluffing. The Flying V Mark II has scanners built into it. It's been wildly entertaining. Amelia, her lovely handbag.
Safety that weapon, sir.
Evan, are you insane? The show hasn't even started. Hand over your gun and go to the back of the jet. Thank you. You can remain there until I say otherwise. I need a moment to have a word with Mr. Richards. It wasn't too long ago that someone with my job thought it was more important to force some hypocritical moral message down society's throat than to simply entertain them. They forgot about the power of illusion, the power of the star, which is what you are, Richards. Why we want to offer you your own show. Former runner, deemed through righteous vengeance, turns his life around to become a lethal force for good. Call him the Hunter. Board authorized me to pay you $5 million new per season. Only one condition. Back, watch the intro, and when Bobby cues you, kill every hunter on that jet. Mission met. I'll remote pilot you back to the studio jetport, where the President of the United States will induct you as Hunter number 6. Title ID I'm playing with. Data says the revenge plot. Revenge? Revenge for what? Who is gonna root for a guy who kills your national heroes? Bullshit, Dan. Let me worry about